Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting. And in this video friends, I will show you guys how can you check your phone builder number in your Tecno phone. Friends, you want to check your builder number in your Tecno phone and guys you don't know how to check. So don't worry friends, in this video I will show you how can you check your builder number in your Tecno phone. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Friends, open your phone setting to check your phone build number. So after on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys scroll it and guys you can see guys this my phone setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll it. So friends, you can see your build number and guys you want to on guys your developer mode option. So as you can see you are already developer, but guys you are not a developer. So friends, you can only developer mode option from here guys 3 and 4. Type guys, tap here time, then guys you can on your developer mode option also, and guys you can see your build number in your Tecno phone. You can check. So I hope friends you have understood how to check build number and guys how to on developer mode option in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.